What's going on, everyone? Good morning, hello. I gotta go and drop off this load of wood, and then I have to basically call a couple of customers around, build up my schedule, start on the next load. So instead of going to the landfill, I'm actually going to go to a wood recycling place. So we'll see. We'll see exactly how much they're talking to recycle this wood. Let's get started. As you can see, we definitely got to do some cleaning, but it's been pretty cold. For some reason, it's been pretty cold this spring. So put on our seat warmers. All right. First thing first, I like to, inspect our tires, also our lights. Turn my headlights on. Get our wire harness connected to our truck. Yes, my gloves, my emergency gloves, they're nice and dry. All right, next we're gonna inspect the trailer and the truck, check the tires, check the lights, make sure we are road ready. Take these bad boys off. Now, I actually had the actual proper wheel chucks, but somehow they disappeared. So I gotta get some real ones. Big old wood pile, as you guys can see. Golly, I totally forgot that tool is in there. Let me see. I'll probably unstrap this and see if I can lift this bad boy out of here. Okay. And put it in the back of my truck. And that way we can get this thing out of here. And that way they won't have any, problem. Nothing to say. Another reason why I picked this location, because it's closer. I'll burn less in gas. So that's another reason why I'm trying this location out. But at the end of the day, my primary goal is to eventually find a spot where if I do get lumber, I can actually take it to a location and make some money off of it versus spending money. Okay, so that's stuff that you'll pick up later. Your first thing is to get the job, knock the job out, unload, get to the next job. But then eventually you're gonna find out, like, okay, spending a lot of time going to these landfills, let me actually find a place that can utilize this stuff and also potentially recoup some fees. That's just part of the process. You learn as you go. All right guys, so I am on the highway right now, taking my time, enjoying the view, just getting this load to the location safely. That's the name of the game. Get to the location safely. Take your time, obey the laws. Don't stress out your vehicle or equipment. I've always been told this from a very, very wise old lady, that it's best to make it to your destination safely than to not make it to your destination at all. Okay? Again, it's best to make it to your destination safely than to not make it to your destination at all. So we're going to safely travel to our destination, and I'll see you guys when we get there. Peace. All right, guys, we are here, pulling up. As I pull up to this location, didn't know it was so close to home. It's absolutely so close to home. I should have went here over the weekend, It would have saved me a lot of time. Because the location that I dropped this stuff off before, the first load, it was a 30-minute drive. This was only roughly like 15 minutes. That 30-minute drive, that's a lot of gas. Versus 15 minutes, you'll end up saving. All right, but anyway, this is my first time here, so I'm not even sure where I need to go. So I gotta figure out where I need to pull this truck up at. So yeah, sit tight and stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, we're at the location. So I just need to dump the stuff over here, but I gotta pay before I dump. So let me go inside and pay before I dump. Yes, sir, 5.7. All right, guys, we are ready to go. I usually see how much stuff we got right there. Yeah, we gotta get the toilet. So I'm gonna pull this bad boy forward and grab that toilet from up top. All right, the load has safely been dropped off. Now I just gotta I gotta pick up that toilet and put that toilet back in, and we'll be on our way. So as you can see, she's been dumped. That's the load right there. So I just gotta put that back in there. But yeah, let's get her done. Got everything dumped off. Everything's a dump trailer. We're good to go. Well, the toilet's in a dump trailer, so we're good to go, as I promised. And we got our stack here. So yeah, just make sure everything is legit. Check the tires, check the load, check everything. And yeah, definitely coming back to this place because it's so convenient. It's so close, and I could dump my loads and continue what I need to do. So all right, guys, we are back. The job is done. You gotta excuse any noise that you hear in the background, any screaming, shouting, sounding like, you know, people are being body slammed. Just please ignore it. You know, it's nothing of your concern. All right? No, I'm just kidding. It's my kids. They're always horse playing. So if you hear any noise, trust me, everybody's okay. We just completed the job. It was basically 2 loads. I think the tree was roughly between 40 to 60 feet tall. Basically, customer had hired a arborist to cut down the tree, and not too many people know. They don't really know that junk removal companies also remove tree debris. Yes, we do, and we save you a lot of money. If you're watching this video and you're thinking about having any type of lawn work done, cut, you're gonna have some sort of debris, please be sure to give Priority Haul and Junk Removal a call, and we'll discuss the price to remove the debris. So another thing that I kind of want to bring up is, you know, I don't just record these videos and just throw it on YouTube. I actually do watch it too. I watch it as a viewer to kind of see, you know, areas of improvement. When it comes to my video documentary, I need to do more of documenting me actually doing a job, like showing you guys that I'm doing a job instead of showing you, you know, this phase and that phase and that phase, and you know, I'm pretty sure you guys are actually going to see me in the field actually struggling, you know, trying to lift something up. You know, you guys are going to see me struggling, so I get it.
Even though it's business advertising, what I'm trying to do, but it's also content too, okay? So with content, you can monetize off of it. The more information you put out there about your business online to these social media platforms, these content systems such as YouTube, the more likely someone's going to be able to locate your business, okay? Information and content is the king of the world right now, okay? If you're a new business, you're stressing out how people can find you, okay? You need to be present online. You have to be present online. If you're not present online, you're really going to have a hard time growing your business. Make your presence known online. That's the free game for right now. Yeah, for right now. I got more stuff coming. So, you know, my long-term goal is to be able to work for myself so that way I can grow this business to a company. From walking around junk removal, I want to spread this business to dumpster rentals, to front loader trash trucks, street cleaners, trying to take over. And I'm not saying trying to take over like, you know, put people out of business. No. Because there's enough money out here that we all can have businesses and eat too. Got to use your head and just start to see life differently. I definitely appreciate everyone for watching this video, subscribing to my channel, and hit that notification button so that way you can know the next time that I'm going to be online uploading a video.